Discover how the Maryland Stem Cell Research Fund is accelerating cures.
Hi, my name is Hilary Vernon, and I'm an associate professor of genetic medicine in the Department of Genetic Medicine at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. My clinical and research work is focused on a rare disorder called Barth Syndrome. Barth Syndrome affects about 200 to 300 people in the world. Barth Syndrome is a genetic disorder that causes an abnormal phospholipid called cardiolipin to accumulate on the inner mitochondrial membrane. Barth Syndrome clinically leads to heart disease, including an enlarged heart, as well as an immune deficiency, including neutropenia, which prevents the body from fighting bacteria. In our research, we're trying to understand how defects in the gene that causes Barth Syndrome leads to mitochondrial dysfunction or abnormalities in energy production in affected cells. The Maryland Stem Cell Research Fund has had a really great impact on our research because it gave us the funds as well as the ability to build this foundational model that allows us to study cells that are affected in Barth Syndrome, such as cardiomyocytes, and cells that aren't affected in Barth Syndrome, such as neurons. In this way, we're comparing the two types of cells to understand why one type of cell might be affected by the disease, whereas the other type of cell might not be affected by the disease. In this way, we're hoping to be able to manipulate affected cells in order to correct the phospholipid defects and make them healthier. With this work, we're hoping to improve the cardiac function or the heart dysfunction of affected individuals with Barth Syndrome in order to allow them to have a longer and healthier life. Thank you.
Accelerating today's stem cell research into tomorrow's cures.